What's up guys, welcome to our channel Etechniz. In this video we will talk about how to fix the error 0xc0000022 on Windows 11. We will tell you the method you have to use to fix this problem, so stay tuned and watch the complete video. Before going further, do not forget to click on subscribe button, select all to the bell notification, give a thumbs up if you like this video and leave your feedback in the comment section. Method 1. Run Troubleshoot. Click on the Windows icon, click on Settings. Here you'll see an option Troubleshoot. Click on it. Click on Other Troubleshooters. In Windows Update, click on Run. It's gonna take some time, so let it be. Alright, it's done. As I do not have any problem in my Windows, so that's why it's not showing any problem. So click on Close and close this window. Method 2. Run Health Check. Here click on Windows, type CMD, click on Run as Administrator, click Yes, and here you have to type a first command, which is sfc /scannow, and press enter and run this command. It's gonna take some time to scan your PC. Let it be. Let it scan your PC, and afterward it will show you an option what exactly you have to do. There are other 3 commands as well. All of the commands are mentioned in the description. Simply copy the command and paste it in here and run all of the commands. Method 3. Registry Fix. Click on Windows icon, type Registry, click on Run as Administrator, click Yes. Here first you have to make a backup of your registry. Click on Files and export it. Click Desktop and type the name Backup and save. It's gonna take some time, so let it take the time as it back up all of your registry settings on your desktop. Once it's done, you have to double click on H key local machine. Here you have to click on Software. In Software you have to search for Microsoft. Double click on Microsoft. Then in here you have to search for Windows NT. So type W on your keyboard and you will see a folder with the name of Windows NT. Double click on Current Version. Here you have to search for Software Protected Platforms. So just click on any of the folder and type S and you'll find Software Protection Platform. This is the name, skip realm, and you have to change the value of it. So do a double click and change the value to 1 and click OK and simply restart your PC. I'm pretty sure our method helped you to fix the problem. If not, let us know in the comment section. We will surely help you out with a video which can help you to solve this problem. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video.